Hey guys, Carter here with BDS Suspension, and we're out doing our photo shoot the day after SEMA. There are a ton of awesome vehicles out here that we're shooting, get some good content on, and we got these two Rams, two beautiful new Rams, both running the BDS 8-inch kit that's soon to be released. This one to my left, this one is running the BDS 8-inch 4-link conversion system with Fox shocks. It's got 38-inch Mickey Thompson Baja Boss MT tires. It's got 24x14 TIS wheels. It's got a Fab Force bumper. It's got a Warn winch and a bunch of other accessories. Over here to this side, we got this one branding the soon to be released as well, BDS 8-inch 4-link coilover conversion system. We're pretty pumped to offer coilovers for the new Rams. Along with that, it has the same, very similar wheel package. It's got 38 by 1550 by 24 Mickey Thompson Baja Boss MTs on 24 by 14 TIS wheels once again. It's got some accessories out back, and both of them look pretty badass. All right, this 8-inch system will allow clearance for 40-inch tires, assuming you don't go 14 wide on your wheels. So we have a ton more information about this kit on our website. Check it out at bds-suspension.com. I don't know what we're doing there.